My love, I hope this letter finds you well. In my heart, I feel I will know if something happens to you. It is so hard to face the day without you by my side.
My dearest Natasha, I am writing this sitting on a tractor, just like those we have on the kolkhozes back home. They are not so different from us, these Americans.
They have begun working triple shifts at the factory. I am glad that Inessa is not working nights. Many factories have been bombed, and I fear she...
Though I am a little worried about Kolya. He is very hard on the men, and when I tried to talk to him, he just shrugged it off. I will have to make it clear that he is under my command.
I think about all the boys over there whose mothers cannot sleep for worry. Those serving with you must be the lucky ones, Velocha, for I know that you care deeply for them.
I will be home soon enough. Until then, know that I love you. Your Vladimir.
In America itself, our valiant forces are making excellent progress. The front is expanded daily as city after city falls into our hands. Everywhere our troops are met by cheating citizens happy to be liberated from the yoke of their oppressive government. Already the American proletariat is joining us in spontaneous...
The initial landing went well, and within a few days we had Seattle secured and several regiments moving out into the surrounding countryside. It felt great to finally roam free after having spent weeks inside the cramped container ships. The Americans soon rallied their forces, though, and we began to encounter pockets of heavy resistance. After a pitched fight, they would melt back into the countryside, leaving us to count our dead and wounded. It didn't take long before the strain and frustration of being in a hostile country so far from home began to show on some of the men.
Maloshenko to Sokol 1. This place is too calm.
I agree, Captain. The river is the perfect place for them to defend. We need better intelligence before we continue the advance. Sokol 1 to Romano. Move ahead and scout out the area. And be wary of ambushes.
A machine gun. Acknowledge. Go. Everyone's in vehicle.
To all battle group elements. Spread out and hold in place. Romanov will scout ahead. Sokol 1 out.
Maloshenko to Sokol 1. I wish the Americans would have the guts to stand and fight us.
Don't hope for too much, Captain. We lack the fire support for a decisive engagement.
We can do without it. My men are already chomping at the bit.
I am sure we will find the Americans soon enough, Captain.
I hope so. Then we shall destroy them utterly. Maloshenko out.
Armored transport is ready to go.
No sign of the enemy yet. I don't like this, Lieutenant. Take your group east and continue the reconnaissance. Sokol 1 out.
APC.
Ruсы американские. Why won't they face us?
Patience, Captain. I need you to keep your wits about you.
Don't worry about me, Uncle. Worry about the enemy. Maloshenko out.
Still no sign of the Americans.
Maloshenko here. They are close, I can feel it.
I believe you are right, Captain. But we must secure that bridge regardless. Romanov, your objective is to capture the bridge. Second Company will move in to support you once you are in place.
PM driving. Move.
Sokol 1 to all units. Continue the advance toward the river, but hold in place on the north side until the bridge has been secured.
Understood, товарищ полковник. Maloshenko out. Well done, Lieutenant. Hold off the enemy. I am sending first platoon across to support you.
Yeah, Sokol 1. Neutralize the enemy so that we can start using the bridge.
They're taking heat! Launch those grenades! Order grenades and fire!
APC here.
They are engaging us!
Attack that target! Hostile enemies immediately!
Blow that target, the enemy!
We got
our target here.
enemy soldiers!
Rifles, move your feet!
Is defeated.
Heads down and move your feet! Run quickly!
Armor here.
The bridge is secure. Well done, everyone. Move across by company. I want column formations.
Maloshenko here. We have incoming fighters. They're going for the bridge. Черт побери! Clear the bridge! Clear the bridge!
Second platoon says they're 10 minutes out.
Bastards! Tell that mongrel Petrov I'll put a bullet in his head if he's not here in 5.
Так точно.
Sokol, this is Shipovnik. My men are surrounded and need immediate reinforcements.
Shipovnik, I'm aware of the situation. Move your troops to the western ford and cross there. Romanov will create a diversion to the east.
Sokol, we don't have time for diversions and flanking maneuvers. I need a bridge there.
I say again, you are to flank to the west, Shipovnik.
Sokol out.
Блин! Order second company to move west. We'll rendezvous at the fort. I hope the old fool knows what he's doing.
Romanov, make a supporting attack on the eastern ford while 2nd and 3rd Company flank around to the west. We must reinforce our stranded comrades on the other side of the river.
That is heading for rollout. Roll out.
It looks like the Americans are finally making a stand. Count on heavy resistance. I'm giving you light tank support.
We're all aboard. Everyone's inside.
We also have reports of an enemy M1 Abrams tank in the area. This is the most lethal tank in the American arsenal. Destroy it if you get the opportunity.
Hey, Pistors, roll out. Roll out. We're moving out now. Armored move. Heading for move. Launch fire an 85 missile at that hostile. Target confirmed. Take it out. We got a target. Hostile engaged. Armored, we need a smoke screen now. Rolling. Duh. Lucky move. Roll out. Armor move. Driving. Armored transport.
Maloshenko на связи! We're engaging the enemy at the western fort. My men on the other side are now completely surrounded.
Sokol 1 here. We will get to them, Captain. Romanov should draw some of their forces away to the east soon.
We better. Maloshenko out. Говорит Maloshenko! My men are hard beset by the enemy. I thought Romanov would draw them off.
Romanov is attacking the eastern ford as planned. A breakthrough on either side will force the Americans to retreat.
Understood, but it's not enough. I request a bridge layer.
Request denied, Captain. Again, sending in a bridge layer now would only ensure its destruction.
But we have to get across the river.
And we will do so at the fords. Sokol 1, out.
Engage the enemy. Your orders. Give us some orders. Attack that target. Light hostile targeted. Arm rolling. APC. Our tracks are steady.
Getting to the position.
We can roll out anytime.
We're taking hit. We killed an enemy. We're taking hit.
Target eliminated.
They're under fire.
Move.
Good. Each loss of those tanks is a serious blow to the Americans.
Our tracks are rolling. Our tracks are driving. Tourist coming here. We're moving out now.
Get and go. Move out and pace it. Get your rifles and move. Affirmative. Infantry heading out. We're taking heat! Let's move! Давай! Speed it up! Let's get going! Attack the enemy! Launch grenades now! Fire!
Wait, we're moving up. Starting repairs. We're starting repairs
They're
now.
taking hits!
We're repairing the target. We're repairing the target.
Unit gone. They're under fire! We got the target!
Leader. Yes, товарищ командир. Our tracks are... We're moving out now. Driving. Товарищ командир. APC, on the move. Look and fire. Armor rolling. Fire the missile immediately.
They're taking hits!
Armor transport is providing supporting fire. Tоварищ enemy missile fire. Firing. Fire the missile now. Target spotted. We're moving to the destination. Target killed. Tоварищ командир. Repairing ourselves now. Our tracks are all... Grenade! They are attacking us. APC. Armor moving up.
Hostile destroyed.
Yes, товарищ командир. Armor move. Neutralize the enemy. Light our tracks. Move. Yes. Move.
We have control of the eastern fort. Get some fortifications up, Romanov.
Heading for the position. Commandeer. Yes, driving. Driving.
They're taking hits!
Repair. Initiating field repair. Hey! Repair. Start fixing vehicle. Repairing our comrade. We're under attack. What are your next orders? What the missile now? Fire the missile immediately.
We lost a unit.
Armor rolling. Watch hard rolling. Target killed. Armor trucks engage the enemy. AP's healing, firing at the enemy. Armor available 84, ready to fire. Tоварищ командир. Fire the missile.
We got casualties.
The armor moving out. Yes, roll out. We've roll, eliminate. We should move the engage. Look and fump. Engage the enemy. Starting repairs now.
Excellent, Lieutenant. I am sending further reinforcements to you. Captain Maloshenko, what is your situation?
What are your next orders?
We've broken through the enemy lines. The Americans are pulling back.
Understood. Link up with your men and set up a perimeter. Romanov, I want you to move south and clear the enemy forces from the large farm ahead.
AP armor moving, heading for the position.
Where do you need us? Get aboard. Where do you... Embarking, товарищ командир.
Yeah, driving.
Infantry, we are on. Get aboard. Товарищ командир, we're on the move. Enter the vehicle. Last member embarked. We're all aboard.
Armor, we're moving out now. Our tracks are still. Yes, товарищ командир. Watch out. 57 is switching 84. At the target. Lock and fire. Engage the enemy. APC here. Fire the missile immediately. Fire the missile. Watch. Attack that target. Armor moving to hostile targeted. West armor on the way. Heading out the way. We should move the BMP-2. Give us some more look and fire. Your orders fixing this machine now. APC here. You're all we do. Enemy is launching 84. At the target. Missile locked. Fire. Light armor engaged.
Говорит Maloshenko. The Americans are renewing their attack from southwest.
Understood, Captain. Can you hold?
We can hold against whatever those craven bastards throw against us.
Good. I am talking to our esteemed comrades in the Air Force, and they will soon give us priority.
We don't need their support. The Americans will soon break and flee.
I'm sure they will, Captain, but some air support will be welcome. So call one out.
They are attacking us. Armor on the move. Heading move. Roll out. Armor penetrated. Tоварищ командир. BMP-2 is available. Moving to the destination. Hostile armor transport moving out.
large concentration of enemy units at the farm. We have finally been given priority air support, and I am calling in a strike now. Sokol 1 to Romanov. Frontal aviation will deal with the Americans. Make sure you are clear of the target area.
Hostile infantry neutralized. Our trucks driving.
Maloshenko to Sokol 1. What do we do about that bridge?
Romanov will secure the bridgehead, and then we'll repair the bridge. You must protect the southwestern flank.
Nothing will be allowed through. Maloshenko out.
Sokol 1 to Romanov. Move to the bridge at once and dig in. The Americans will be back soon, and in greater numbers.
APC will move now. We're moving. Roll out, move. We are ready, Tavarish Commandeer. Yes, Tavarish, driving. We can roll out.
Set up some sandbag positions if you can. You don't have much time. Sokol 1 out.
We're moving out now, Tavarish Commandeer. We're moving, driving. Roll out. Armor heading for the position. Tavarish Commandeer, heading for the position. Light up. Yes, driving. Our tracks are steady. Yes, move. We're moving out now.
This is Sokol 1. The bridge has been repaired. You are free to move your units across.
I'm heading for the position. We can... Yes, Tavarish Commandeer. Moving.
Romanov, fill your sandbags faster. The Americans are closing in.
Starting repairing our comrade. There is armor. Move. Armor. Yes, Tavarish. Roll out. Recovery vehicle.
Good. A multi-layered defense is always the best option against a concentrated attack.
APC here. What can we do for you? We can roll out anytime. Armor transport is ready to go. Armor available for battle.
Tavarish Command acknowledged. Affirmative. Moving.
We're starting repairs now. Light armor available. Yes, Tavarish Command. Armor moving out. We're moving. Roll out. Driving. Recovery vehicle available for repairs. Starting repairs now. Yes, repairing our comrade. That is our driving. We're moving out now. We are ready, Tavarish Commandeer. Armor moving out. Heading, driving, move.
Maloshenko here. We're engaging an enemy force estimated battalion strength. And I see another group moving toward the bridge.
You must hold, Romanov. Sokol 1 out.
Armor moving out. Want us to repair something? Tavarish Commandeer. Launching AT-4. Pirate hostile. We're wrecked the vehicle. Light armor ready for combat. Launching AT-4. At the target. Armor available for battle. Launching AT-5. We got the target. Neutralize the enemy. Light tank need instructions. Repair start. Launching AT-4 at the target. Launching AT-4. Missile hostile. Fire. We should move the BMP orders. Launching AT-4.
Sokol 1 here. Army Command has finally deemed it prudent to give us fire support. A mortar section and a flight of Su-25s are now on call.
Enemy destroyed.
This is a hotkey. Targeting enemy tank.
Tavarish Maloshenko, the Americans are attacking in strength. We're facing at least a regiment's worth of troops.
Yeah, Sokol 1. The GRU reports them as part of the Oregon National Guard. Our orders are to fix them in place and destroy them.
We'll destroy them to the last man. Maloshenko out.
Order strike requested. Firing away. Out.
We're on the fire.
Fire the missile in the east!
The American attack shows no sign of weakening. You must hold on to that bridge, Roman.
Target area.
Light armor ready for missile lock. Fire here!
Order barrage delivered. Hostile casualties confirmed. Hold out. Knowledge.
Hostile defeat.
Hunting for tanks. Охотник out.
Target eliminated.
All talk here. The provided strike area was empty. Out. Охотник here. I didn't hit anything. Over.
Light tank needed. Structure under attack. Loading fire the target. Neutralize the enemy. Enemy
Firing
destroyed.
order. The barrage will reach you soon.
Repair heading and repair started. Fixing vehicle. Repairing ourselves. Eliminated. Heading of all initiating field repairs. Fixing vehicle. Hostile defeat. 76 available.
That's what's out in the area.
We should move the vehicle.
Target area. Enemy hunted casualties. Over.
Target killed. Do you need moving to the destination?
The enemy attack has finally been spent. They're falling back.
What is coming here?
Don't give them any respite, Romano. Counterattack at once. To all Sokol 1 elements, the Americans are falling back. Advance and destroy them. Sokol 1, out.
Armored transport is ready to go. Armor, move.
Охотник here reporting hostile
Drive to the
casualties.
destination. Heading for the
Right mission accomplished. The enemy got hit. Out.
Target tank disabled. Light target, roll out. Watch moving, move. Armor available for we're moving.
Very good, Romanov. Consolidate your position before advancing further. We cannot afford to lose the ground we've gained.
This is Maloshenko. We have destroyed an enemy mechanized company. Continuing the advance at this time.
Well done, Captain. Don't let them get away. Sokol 1, out.
Attack completed. I hit some hostiles. Охотник out.
Well done, Lieutenant. Now press the attack.
Enemy kills confirmed. Returning to base. Over.
Light armor ready for combat. The target is...
Maloshenko to Sokol 1. We are now at position 4, dealing with light skirmish forces.
Understood. Hold in place. Sokol 1, out. Retake the ground you lost, Romanov, before it's too late.
Armor under attack. APC here. Your orders. Fire the missile. They are attacking the water unit. Missile launching every form at the target. Rolling. Delay. Armor under attack. Hostile defeated.
This is Охотник. Targeting enemy tanks. Охотник here. I'm going to hunt for hostile
57 is
tanks.
moving.
Over.
What is coming here? Our track driving. Our tracks are steady.
Attack run completed. I hit some hostiles. Охотник out.
Roll out. Armor here. Roll out.
The attack run was a total failure.
Almost there, Romanov. Get some fortifications up.
This is Maloshenko. Request permission to pursue the enemy.
Yes, Captain. We must keep the perimeter intact. We have dealt the Americans a hard blow. It will have to be enough for today.
Affirmative. Anti-tank strike is inbound. Out. This is Охотник. Targeting enemy tanks.
We're engaged and defeated. We should move the missile immediately. Launch the missile now.
Areas ordered. Returning to base. Over.
Disable the hostile.
Mission completed. Getting low on fuel. Охотник out.
Neutralize the enemy. Starting repairs now.
have the field. The river crossing is secured, and now the rest of the battle group can move across. Excellent performance all around. Sokolov out.
Heading for the position. Get that perimeter.